Eggs are among the healthiest foods available and include all the essential nutrients for life. They are renowned for being a good source of protein. But exactly how much is in a single egg? Let's look at it. 78 calories are found in one large egg. Protein in 6 grams, 0.6 grams of carbohydrates, and 5 grams of fat. Buying organic, pasture-raised eggs is essential. This indicates that the hens used to lay the eggs are fed nutritious diet and raised in a natural setting. These eggs are better tasting, healthier, and packed with vitamins including A, D, K2, B6, and B12. Boiling eggs are a better option for breakfast than cereal in the morning. These assist regulate blood sugar levels and keep you satisfied throughout the day. Eggs are one of the purest and most organic sources of protein that the body uses to build muscle, blood, cartilage, and skin. They also include lutein, a carotenoid that helps protect against aging-related muscle degeneration and improves vision. A full egg also contains 22% of the daily required amount of selenium. This vitamin boosts immunity and has anti-aging benefits. Whipped egg whites can be used to create a face mask that tightens the skin. These are used by natural skincare practitioners to tighten pores and cleanse skin. For a nutritious, protein-rich dinner, we enjoy creating omelets with lots of spring onions, grass-fed cheese, and other veggies. They can be cooked in a variety of ways, including boiling, frying, poaching, microwave cooking, and many types of dishes. Protein is one of the building blocks of life, and the body uses it for growth and repair. Please watch our other videos to learn more about healthy foods and natural remedies. Thank you very much for listening. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell symbol for more wholesome videos.